tensions flared in Mendiola, Manila, where some protesters against corruption hurled objects at police barricades. Along Recto, troublemakers vandalized and looted a hotel, even stealing its vault. Here is a report.
Thousands gathered along Mendiola in Manila yesterday to protest corruption in government. From colorful placards to symbolic costumes, demonstrators said their message was clear: end corruption and hold those responsible accountable.
Tama na. Sobra na ito. Dapat nang matapos ang korupsyon dito sa ating bansa. Alam na ng taong bayan ang dahilan at pinagmumula ng korupsyon. At naniniwala ang taong bayan na kailangang ipakulong ang lahat ng mga sangkot sa korupsyon. Mga Duterte, mga Marcos, mga DPWH, mga kontraktor, dapat lahat sila ay makulong.
Sino susuot ng ganitong outfit at may hard hat? Samantalang nasa loob yung ating kinakain ng buhaya. Unti-unting lumilinaw, lumalabas. Yung mga politiko talaga eh. Hindi magsusimula yung korupsyon kung walang masamang balak ang politiko.
But the peaceful demonstration turned tense when protesters marched toward the Peace Arc for their closing program. Water cannons were fired as protesters hurled rocks, bottles, wood, barricade, and even foul-smelling liquid mixed with paint at police. The clash dragged on for hours. Interior Secretary John Vic Remulla arrived on the scene, witnessing the confrontation firsthand.
Sa mga sa buong bayan, sana intindihin nyo kami. Kailangan namin protektahan ang bansa natin na hindi mananahig ng violence. Ang peaceful protest ay pupayag kami. Lahat ng hindi kami namimigil. Pero kung nagbabatuhan ng polotog at masasaktan yung mga polis, sila directly under me. I am responsible for them.
That same night, a group vandalized and looted a hotel along Recto Avenue, breaking its glass windows and stealing the hotel's vault. A security guard was injured in the incident. The situation escalated further with Molotov explosions, smoke, and injuries from the stone throwing. By 9 p.m., police had sealed off Mendiola and dispersed the protesters, especially minors. Manila Mayor Isko Moreno inspected the area after the violence.
They are welcome to Manila and express their complaints and rights, especially in our public plaza. But they don't have the right to destroy properties, private and public. Kala ko ba gusto nyo ng gobyernong matino? Ba't yung sinira yung property ng gobyerno?
According to police data, more than 61,000 protesters gathered in total on Sunday. Of this number, over 30,000 were in Manila, while around 27,000 came from various provinces. Nearly 50 individuals were arrested for disruptive acts such as stone throwing, arson, and assaulting police officers. Among those apprehended, 13 were minors. Malacanang Press Officer Undersecretary Claire Castro condemned the violence, calling some of the protesters tulisan or bandits.
Mukhang gusto nilang pabaksakin ng gobyerno. At sino ba yung sanay sa mga ganitong klaseng mga pang-harassment at mga ganitong klaseng mapanira? Diba? So, sino ba ang gusto nilang iangat dito? At sinong gusto nilang pabagsakin? So dito, they are definitely doing a crime.